Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create AMI using Snapshot in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in our EC2 dashboard. Here in the left hand side, if I scroll down to Elastic Block Store and click on snapshots, here we have one snapshot with the name test-snapshot. Right click on test snapshot and click on create image from snapshot. In the image name, type any meaningful name. In the description, type any description. In the architecture, leave it default. If you want to choose any hardware, you can click on drop down and choose the hardware. In the root device name, type the name of your device. In the virtualization type, leave it default. In the boot mode, you can also choose the mod. This is our test AMI, so I am leaving it use default. Scroll down and click on create image. As you can see, this process is completed successfully. In the left hand side, go to images and click on AMIs. Here you can see my -test-AMI 0092 is available. If I scroll to the right, in the status you can see this AMI is available. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.